it's Coach Mavi here, and today we're going to be doing Mum's hair since it's nearly Mum's birthday. It's on the 28th of April, so we're going to be doing Mum's birthday hair. And you guys are so close to our goal, which is 360. So tell 2 more people and then we'll be there.
Hi guys, as Coach Mavi told you, very soon it's gonna be my birthday. My birthday is on the 28th of April. So Coach Mavi decided to give me a nice slay, not short. You know, we all have short hair, so as you can see, my hair is short. So Mavi is gonna give me a nice slay short hair bun. So please, I'm so excited for my birthday. So I know that you as well, you're so excited. So please, she's gonna show you, you know, how she'll give me a nice little birthday hair, and then she's gonna cover like all this baby hair front, so I don't have, you know, I did a hairstyle which just damaged my front line. So Coach Mavi will show you some tricks, you know, if you have like some front line hair damage. So don't worry, you can still have a nice burn. Yes, so keep watching. Much love.
So guys, this is what we're going to be needing. We're going to be needing this Shine and Jam gel. It's like an extra hold. It's gonna hold the hair. Okay, next is this Argan oil spray. It just doesn't give us heat damage when we use the blow dryer. Next we have our edge brush and just a comb and a brush and some mascara to fill in the parts where there isn't much hair, like my mom showed you in the last clip. And then we need our hairpiece, our blow dryer and our headscarf for our blow dryer. So now we're gonna get started. Are you guys excited?
Yes, we are so excited. Coach Mavi's gonna do Mom's short hair nice bun. Mavi's gonna give me a nice bun hair for my birthday. I hope you're excited. So we don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. Yes, go on.
So first we're gonna use the Argan oil. It's just the heat defense spray. So we're gonna spray it on here. I think we put enough on there. We're just gonna comb it.
Guys, as you can see, so Coach Mavi is giving me a nice sad line, you know, I like my hair to have like a line. So it's what she's doing right now. It's just something simple and easy to go. So less than 5 minutes, you're done with this nice cute hairstyle. Guys, tell us if you ever done like your natural hair bun. You have it laid down by your daughter, by your cousin, by your friend, by your sister. Let us know. Drop us a comment. Thank you so much, you know, for showing us your love, your support. We appreciate. If you are new here, we welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. We do some hair, we do some makeup, we do video with the girls. So one of them is here, Coach Mavi. So she's giving Mavi a hair treat. Yes, so that's what she's doing here right now. Yes, guys, so let's build this strong community together. Tell us what you think about this video. Coach Mavi doing my hair. We love you so much. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will be your second home because we always been together here. See, so she give me a line here. So now she just gonna lay down the hair. Go on, darling.
Yeah, guys, if you like the process, just keep watching, like, subscribe. Make sure to tell somebody so we can reach our goal of 360. Right now I'm just finishing combing Mom's hair.
So now Coach Mavi is using some Shine and Jam. It's really nice, so it's not sticky. It doesn't give you flakes. It's just perfect to lay down the hair, to make the hair soft and clean. Go on, darling.
So you don't need to put too much. If this amount isn't good for you, you can just keep adding.
But start with a small quantity, you know, and then add up gradually because you don't want it too much. This one is so nice. It's just gonna help us like to make all the hair lie down, and then no flying hair, nothing. Everything will be just nice and smooth. Yes. Keep watching, darling. Show us your love. Drop us some love if you feel the video is interesting, you know. Let us what you think about the process. Yeah, so just Coach Murphy, you know, combing the hair so to make sure that all the hair is nice and laid down. So it's giving me a nice bun with my short hair. So if you are a short hair girl there, don't worry. So Coach Murphy got you the solution here. So just watch this video so you can lay down your hair easily and gently. Yes, keep watching.
So yeah guys, this is Mom's hair before we put it in the bubble. So Mom, shall I just tie it?
Okay. Yeah guys, as you can see, so Coach Murphy is tying my hair. So this stuff is amazing. The shine and jam is so perfect, you know. If you have short hair, you should try this product. Amazing, very nice. You can find it like in any, you know, local store in your area. So we have it, we sell it at Bella International Hair Salon where I work, so I get it from there. So if you live in Newcastle, so check it out there, or any store like African store, so you find it. Is so nice, you know. It just helps you like to style your short hair. So see that, you know, all the hair is nice and laid down. So she's gonna put the scarf, and then yeah, so the process is continuing. Did you like my hair? I've got short hair, but you know, so the hair is nice. So she's gonna tie the hair now.
So we're just gonna use the scarf.
Guys, tell us what you think about the process. Having a nice natural hair in a band. So my hair is not relaxed, by the way. It just takes a razor. It just a bit of takes a razor, you know, to just get rid of the coarse and then kinky takes, right? Yeah, so she's gonna blow dry for just a few seconds. Don't worry, because we use our heat protection, so my hair is protected by this Argan oil heat defense leave-in conditioner. So we are ready to go. So yes guys, our blow dry time is over. So it was few minutes, let's say just 1 minute. Yeah, so see that how my hair looks nice and slick. My hair is short, but we managed to get it in this nice slick ponytail.
Okay, next we have the bun. We're just gonna put some spray on it to make it look
nice and shiny and glossy. So it's just a natural, you know, a piece that we bought in our, you know, beauty store here. So yeah, Coach Murphy is gonna put just this bun to make my hair look more realistic and big. Ooh. Give us love. We love you, you know. Share this video if you feel like this video is interesting. We love you the same way we give you love. Please give us love as well. Yes, so this one, it was just something quick, short, you know. Coach Murphy wanted to offer mommy for her birthday, so since it's spring, so we are just using our natural hair. So Coach Murphy was like, Mom, let me do your hair. That's the treat, my treat that Coach Murphy gave to me. Guys, see that? See that? How my hair is just nice and sleek. Lay down. See that even the back is short, but can you see that? So for the band, so it's up to you. So you can just, you know, bring it out a little bit, you know, or just, it's up to you, honestly. So the next thing we're gonna do, you know, remember I told you that I lost my front hair with the hairstyle I did. So what you're gonna do, so the trick is just a beauty tip. So you're gonna use like your brush mascara. So the old mascara that you don't use, you get the brush, you put on your new mascara. So you remove the brush of the new mascara, because this, you use it for the eyes, for health and safety is no good. So use the old brush of mascara, dip it in, and then Coach Murphy, so she's gonna show you how she's gonna cover like all my lost hairline. So go on, darling, go on. Can you see? You see it before, yeah, how it was, but see now. So when she's going with the brush, can you see that? Let me even bring the camera close. Can you see that? So I'll just, the mascara is covering like my front line, so it's giving me back like my baby hair. Did you see that? So if you're having a problem with your front line, so just use your old mascara brush, you dip in the mascara, and then make sure that you get a generous amount, because you are not gonna go back to dip in the mascara again. Yeah, that was just a quick tip, you know. Or maybe if you are having like gray hair in front, so you want to go like out or party, so you want to cover it, so just use your mascara and then cover it. You see, so you see that, so everything's covered, you see, so it looks so nice and neat. Yeah, so if you feel like it's not covered properly, you just go back again, you know, do the job, cover it, so all the sides you suffer from gray hair or anything, so just, you know, just cover it. Yes, if you get a little bit of mess, you just get the webs, you know, you fix it. But this one honestly is a lifesaver, so it's just a nice quick beauty tip that, you know, you can be using for to cover your gray hair, or to give you, to enhance your front line. You know, if you lose your hair, you know, sometimes you can do a hairstyle, the hairstyle looks nice, but by the time you remove the hair, so all your front line is gone. So don't worry about your front line anymore, because we have a solution here. So you can just use your mascara and then you cover it. Yeah guys, I think this tip is very nice and then very helpful. Please don't keep this video for yourself, or share it, you know, sharing is caring. Can you see that? How my front line look nice and full? Can you see that? Yeah, that was just a short video that got Mavi and I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much. Please, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and then tell someone to subscribe as well. Share the video, don't keep it for yourself, and then don't forget to hit up the notification button. Whenever we upload, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you so much again for your love, for your time. We appreciate you. So we see you until our next one. Coach Mavi, you want to say something before we finish?
Yeah, and we just need 2 more subscribers to hit our goal. So our next goal will be 300, well 400 even. So
yeah, so I'm loving my hair. See that? Ooh, loving my hair. See you on my next one. Yeah guys, one more important things we wanted to tell you. Do you know when you full your hairline with the mascara, so just get a tissue, you know, blend it, so everything, you know, it has to be blending in, so it looks like nice and clean. Because you know, when you're applying the mascara, so there can be like some mess around, you know, so some excess. So just make sure you remove everything, and then you just give it a nice wipe. You wipe it with the tissue, because the tissue is dry. Don't use like a wipes, because the wipes is damp, so it's gonna mess around everything. Did you see that? How my hairline look full and nice and clean? See that? See that? Yeah, so that was just like this baby tip, you know, we wanted to share with you. Thank you so much again. So thank you for your love, for your support. We do appreciate. Yeah, so it just was that simple, easy way to do it, and then we did it.